Hi guys, James at Leighton Vans. What would your thoughts be if I could tell you that you could live in this thing? It's a VW factory, Grand California. So it's out of VW's factory as a camper van. It's got a shower on board, it's got a toilet on board, and you could literally travel the world in this thing and have all the home comforts as what you would have at home. You've got cooking facilities, you've got sleeping facilities, it'll sleep 4. It's got fridge in there, it's got a toilet in there, it's got everything you want. Also, factory spec, which is additional, is LED headlights. It's got steps that come out. It's obviously big enough to sort of sleep in and travel around and carry your stuff. So, and like I say, it's out of VW's factory as a camper van. So it's a Grand California. It is on the website, it's automatic, just what you need when you're cruising down the highways, and it's ready to go. So we could have the van delivered to you or collected anytime this week, next week, following week, whenever you want it. So it's in stock, it won't be around long. Get in contact for more details. Thanks guys.